Cancer loves acid. Cancer also loves no oxygen. The other thing cancer loves is sugar. So knowing those things, it makes a lot of sense to alkalize the tissues. And so when people come to us wanting help to conquer cancer, you see what we do? We suggest a diet that's highly alkalizing. We suggest ways to oxygenate the body, and we also greatly eliminate the glucose, the sugars going into the body.
Hello and greetings. This time around, we'll take a look at the best 10 foods and products Barbara O'Neill suggests for maintaining a healthy and strong body. Always bear in mind that one food cannot fight all diseases, but if you have a balanced meal, it will make the environment unsuitable for cancer cells. Let's get down to examining some of these powerful items that you may have in your kitchen already. 1. Lemons, the alkaline boost.
The most alkaline forming food is the lemon. And you might say, lemon is acid. You're right, you test the lemon, it is acid. Acid where it should be, in the stomach where that should be acid.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill elucidates how incorporating lemons into your nutrition helps in improving your body's alkalinity. This is essential since cancer cells find it hard to survive in a basic environment. It is possible for anyone who thinks lemon is sour due to its taste because once they undergo metabolism, they become basic. The best way to utilize the full potential of lemons is to mix some juice from freshly squeezed ones into warm water right after waking up. It brightens up your mood for the day while rehydrating. Examples of these nutrients include vitamin C, which boosts immunity amongst other functions. Besides drinking plain water, lemon juice can also be used as a zesty flavoring for salads, sauces, and soups. 2. Leafy greens, nutrient powerhouse.
When you see dark green veggies, you know what you immediately think in your mind? There's my magnesium. There's my magnesium. When I did my nutrition course, I was astonished at the amount of minerals that you'll find in your dark green leafy vegetables. Remember that vegetables are high in fiber, high in minerals, low in sugars.
In my opinion, spinach and kale are the most nutrient-dense foods. These superfoods offer a wide range of vitamins A, C, and K, together with calcium and iron, that all play significant roles in maintaining cellular health. Barbara O'Neill advises that greens should be consumed every day in order to enhance one's immune system and promote a more alkaline state within the body. Additionally, leafy greens are high in fiber content, which helps flush out toxins from the body. Thus, fiber binds with certain carcinogenic substances present in our gastrointestinal tract so as not to get absorbed. They can also be added to smoothies or soups as Dr. O'Neill recommends, but they have a subtle taste while still maintaining their health benefits. 3. Ginger, nature's anti-inflammatory.
Ginger is a very powerful anti-inflammatory herb. Now we're going to look at what's for ginger inflammation. I've just given my right-hand lady the sign and she's bringing ginger.
The subsequent item in line is among the most potent natural anti-inflammatory agents. Chronic inflammation has been associated with numerous illnesses, such as mind-blowing cancer. It seems ginger can play a role in fighting them. Ginger contains an abundance of edges and antioxidants like gingerol that are responsible for decreasing oxidant stress as well as inflammation in one's body. Daily consumption of warm ginger tea is recommended by Dr. O'Neill for digestive soothing and reduction, including that from the stomach, where a large portion of the immune system lives. Confusion is vital. Bursting of it is important too. One should really want at it. Take your meals for zest to make ginger into a curry. When stir-frying, in soup trauma, or smoothie making, ginger does magic. Ginger tea also works much better. For example, if one takes fresh ginger, she should slice them and pour hot water over them. Honey and lemon make it more delicious in such an instance, and this combines well with health benefits. 4. Nuts, tiny but mighty.
Almonds. Almonds are called the king of all nuts, and they deserve the title because they are the most alkaline nut. They are the nut that is the highest in protein. 26 grams of protein to a cup of almonds. I don't suggest you eat a cup of almonds.
Essential fatty acids, protein, and fiber are abundant in nuts, such as walnuts and almonds. Dr. O'Neill mentions that adding nuts to one's diet is an effective way of balancing body pH levels. Alkaline-forming foods like almonds may lower disease risk due to their ability to create an environment that is unfavorable for harmful cells. Vitamin E, most abundant in almonds, functions as an antioxidant, protecting cells against harm. Conversely, walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation, which is often a precursor of various diseases. Whole grains, fiber for the win.
Some of the grains we just looked at, maybe rice. So will we put buckwheat or rice? And if spelt is made into sourdough bread, it can bring it back to that original structure of the inkhorn wheat. Now, if someone eats wheat and they have an intolerance to it, do you know it can get that blood pressure up? So blood pressure can be caused by wheat. So how do you know what you are? I've got a challenge for you. Stop it for 2 months, see what happens.
Digestive health can be supported by whole grains like quinoa, barley, oats, and brown rice. They contain significant amounts of fiber, which helps to eliminate harmful substances from the body and keep the digestive system healthy. Dr. O'Neill has emphasized that fiber plays an important role in disease prevention. A diet rich in fiber is believed to reduce chances of suffering from colorectal cancer, since it stimulates regular bowel movement, thus preventing accumulation of toxic materials within the intestines. A small change that has a significant impact is switching from refined to whole corn products. For instance, you may choose to consume brown rice instead of white, or even quinoa instead of spaghetti. Whole grain bread offers good alternatives that also add nutrients to meals. Turmeric, the golden spice.
Here's the benefit of turmeric. You can Google that and find out some wonderful things, but it's an anti-cancer herb. It is also the best anti-inflammatory herb. Celtic salt and a bit of turmeric, that's it.
Turmeric's a very powerful herb internally to get the inflammation down.
Turmeric has been gaining recognition as a superfood in recent years, and it's no surprise why. This golden spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that may reduce the risk of various chronic diseases like cancer. Dr. O'Neill mentions that combining turmeric with black pepper is key to unlocking its full potential. Piperine present in black pepper increases curcumin absorption in the body by as much as 2,000%. Adding turmeric to curries and soups is easy, or you can simply sprinkle it into your scrambled eggs. An increasingly popular way of consuming this healthy spice includes turmeric tea or golden milk. Legumes, protein with purpose.
Lima beans and lentils and soy are the 3 alkaline forming legumes. Lentils is a good one. So we might put lentils here. What we aim for is half cooked, half raw. And the reason why we like half cooked, half raw, because raw will deliver what cooked won't, and cooked will deliver what raw won't. But if someone's got an irritated lining of the gut, then maybe not raw. So you can see how you would adjust your menus according to the person and according to what their problem was. But this person does not have any gut problems. Their problem is diabetes.
Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are among the best sources of protein obtained from plants. They are abundant in fiber, iron, and essential minerals such as magnesium and potassium. Additionally, legumes support heart health while maintaining an alkaline balance within the body. In addition to providing healthy protein sources devoid of excessive fats, it is hence helpful for people following plant-based diets. Dr. O'Neill advises on the need to have legumes in one's diet on a regular basis through soups, stews, or salads. Garlic, nature's immune booster.
Garlic. Garlic is a very potent antibiotic. In fact, the research is showing is 6 times more powerful than tetracycline, and that's a common antibiotic. To use it as an antibiotic, you would need probably about 3 of those a day. Now, if someone says, my gut couldn't handle 3 of those a day, what you can do is you can get a bowl of hot soup, grate it into the soup, and that'll just take the edge off it.
Because of its reputation, garlic is regarded as a great immune enhancer. The immune system can be reinforced and infection avoided by consumption of allicin, one of the sulfur components in it. Dr. O'Neill advises that we should include garlic in our meals every day if we want to enjoy its potential health advantages. You can chop it up and add garlic to salad dressings, marinades, or stir-fries. For health purposes, however, one is advised to eat raw or lightly cooked garlic only since it offers maximum advantages. Berries, antioxidant-rich foods.
Now, there are two herbs that work very well in strengthening the heart, and you may have heard of this herb. It's the hawthorn berry. The hawthorn berry strengthens the heart. It brings it back to normality. Often people have heart arrhythmia, often caused by caffeines and wheats and refined sugar, not even realizing that the food they're eating is causing the problem. But hawthorn berry can bring it back to normality. It's an incredibly safe herb. You might get hawthorn berry tablets and have 1-3 times a day. If it's not doing it, do 2-3 times a day. It's very, very safe. You see, if you don't turn the tap off, you're still going to be mopping up in the other corner. That's why these things must be implemented. You must keep that heart with all diligence. So the hawthorn berry, if your blood pressure's too high, it'll bring it down. If it's too low, it'll bring it up.
The most antioxidant-rich foods known to mankind include berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. They are loaded with vitamin C and K as well as fibers that make them a good fit for any dietary plan. These antioxidants play an important role in neutralizing free radicals, which ultimately lead to cellular destruction. According to Dr. O'Neill, you can have berries as snacks. Mix them into smoothies or use them to top oatmeal or yogurt. This is one sugary way you can take care of your health. Water. Stay hydrated, stay healthy.
What I want to look at right now is water. What type of water should we be drinking, and when should we be drinking it, and why should we be drinking water? A man said to me, "Everyone tells me to drink water, you told me why." So from the kidneys, we have 1.5 litre loss in a day.
Life's most necessary component might as well be water. Though it may not seem as flashy as some other items on this list, staying hydrated is important for keeping your body healthy. Dr. Barbara O'Neill states that water is involved in every single cellular activity, like detoxification, digestion, and maintenance of alkaline pH. A low oxygen environment helps cancer cells survive, so drinking sufficient amounts of water ensures that all body cells are well oxygenated and hydrated. In addition, it helps to eliminate waste and toxins from the body, thus lessening the burden on organs and enabling better immune system performance. Drinking sufficient water enhances the functioning of cells. It's recommended that most individuals consume 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. However, if you are in a hot environment or do some exercises, you may require more than that. One simple method for monitoring hydration is by checking your urine color. Clear or light yellow shows that you are adequately hydrated, but darker colored urine indicates a lack of enough water in the system. In order to keep yourself hydrated, it is advisable to infuse fruits such as cucumber or lemon into your drinking water, since they not only make it refreshing, but are also rich in vitamins and antioxidants, which have minimal quantities added into our bodies during this process. Dr. O'Neill also suggests herbal teas as another excellent means for staying hydrated throughout the day. Thus, at some point, as you can see, these 10 products that benefit your health were pointed out by Dr. Barbara O'Neill as easy and common foods and habits. You will not completely wipe out cancer by including them in your diet, but rather create an environment that is less conducive for diseases to thrive within your body. From lemons to leafy greens, each of these items features unique properties that enhance your immune defenses, promote food digestion, and lower inflammation. All important aspects of keeping away harmful agents from attacking the cells in our bodies. The trick is to maintain this lifestyle through little but sustainable diet and lifestyle adjustments. One is laying a foundation for good health on a long-term basis. Today you can make a movement by adding more of these cancer-fighting foods into your meals, and with time you shall see a difference in how it feels. Cheers. Always bear in mind that every bit counts when it comes to reducing health risks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that this video was helpful, so you need to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss other healthy tips. If you have questions, feel free to comment below and tell us which food among them will be the first one to join your meal list. Text on screen. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not provide medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet or health routine.